So we are potting up some of the seedlings that I had done, I think about 4 weeks before this, because I noticed that there were several of them. There were several of them that needed to be potted up, and I should have probably put them in the jumbo Vigo seed starting trays to begin with, but I didn't have any extra ones, so I had to order some more. I am using the Fox Farm seed starter mix and a little bit of green sand. Green sand is nutritious. It's good for seedlings. I also put it in the ground whenever I plant things into the ground as well. Um, and mixing that together with a little bit of water. And then I'm gently teasing all of the roots apart and um, and doing and making sure that they're all folded up so that they're all, not sticking out of the seed tray or anything like that, and getting them up potted into the larger jumbo Vigo seedling trays. Now, these are potamarian and also Seminole um, winter squash, so they will be going into my fall garden. I'm just trying to get on the other side of July and August with them, and I probably planted them a little bit too soon before I'm up potting them and making sure to remove those first leaves that are starting to turn yellow now. When I was a baby gardener and I first saw those, I think it was on a tomato plant or maybe a pepper plant or something, I thought that I had done something wrong and I was freaking out. And there's nothing wrong when those little first leaves turn yellow. They've served their initial purpose, and you can go ahead and take them off, and it will help your plant to focus their energy on other things. So making sure to tuck up those roots, and I'm basically just kind of making a wad of soil around each root ball, and then just placing it in. Not really packing it in very hard and just making sure that it's all in there. And this will give it enough room to where it can probably go until maybe the last week in August or so before I put them in the ground. I'm not having to do this with my other seedlings because they'll probably be fine. But if I need to, I do have this extra jumbo Vigo tray that I can up pot them into if I need to. If you have any tips, tricks, comments, concerns, please let me know down in the comments. And as always, if you would like to visit me somewhere else on the internet, you can visit me at fibermaiden.com or anywhere else on the internet at fibermaiden, all one word. I have short form videos over on TikTok and I also have a Pinterest, and I have lots of tips and tricks and recipes and slow living and all kinds of things that you would probably enjoy if you enjoy this video over on the website. We try to keep it an ad-free environment over there, so every time you purchase a guide or a pattern or something like that, it helps us to keep it ad-free over there so that you can just get straight to the recipe when you're ready to cook and you don't have to worry about it. I'm just going to continue potting up all of these plants, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.